What affiliate marketing mentors to follow, and why? Affiliate marketing has been in the internet industry for quite some time now, and it is among the most popular tools used by many online entrepreneurs today. It is a great option for those who want to put up an online business quickly and cheaply. However, there is still a large number of the population who knows a little or even nothing about it. And most of the people who have just discovered this business usually assume that they can easily make big bucks out of it. Well, they're definitely wrong. To be successful in affiliate marketing business is not an easy task, and it will never happen overnight. It's just like an ongoing assignment where you need to find out and try various advertising strategies and tactics. This may even require you to sign up with numerous affiliate programs just to determine which merchants performs well. Another misconception that affiliates have about this kind of business is that they expect to gain more if they place about 20 affiliated banners on just one niche. Well, it will not really work the way you think it would, because once your site is flooded with too many banners, it will look like a link farm and visitors won't be interested and won't even bother clicking on any of those banners. So if you really want to promote several affiliate programs in your website, make sure that they jive with the theme and topic of the rest of the content on your niche. Bear in mind that 3 or 4 affiliated links in your site are enough, depending on the size of the web page. There are also some who think that if they add affiliate materials to their site, they can receive sales right away. Maybe they just don't know that affiliate marketing is all about advertising. If there's no traffic coming to your site, how can you expect to get any sales? Remember that the more you advertise your affiliate link or the site where the affiliate links are placed, the more click-throughs these links are likely to receive. If you want to be involved, or you've already joined an affiliate program, but you have the above misconceptions regarding affiliate marketing, then you might need a mentor to help you figure out where to start and what to do in order to succeed. In the dictionary, the word mentor is defined as a wise and trusted teacher or counselor. Usually, these persons are experts in the field they are into. They can give expert advice and guidance as well as supervision to another person. So when we say affiliate marketing mentors, they are experienced counselors that have made affiliate marketing their specialty. Affiliate marketing mentors can be those persons that have already been successful in affiliate marketing and are always willing to share their experience-based knowledge from the viewpoint of both the affiliates and the web merchants. And that's the reason why we come up with this page. It is aimed to give you the stuffs that affiliate mentors should possess and follow, and why do they need these things. Of course, it is good for an affiliate marketing mentor to know and apply some theories and generalities regarding your business, but there's nothing more helpful and effective than telling the client what works today and what are the things that could probably work in the future, and if the trend changes. As a mentor, you should be one of the sources of knowledge for your client and the first one to teach them on how to generate more affiliate income. You too need to be knowledgeable and equipped with the keys to success for affiliate marketers as well as for merchants. And you should guide your clients as they try to do the things that can help boost their profit, because once they do well in that business, it can be counted as one of your great achievements. This also makes you a successful mentor. There are some articles on affiliate marketing that says, in order to be triumphant in affiliate marketing business, you need to encompass and develop these traits: persistence, patience, and thirst for knowledge. And as a mentor, it is your job to help your clients take in these traits within themselves. Once they've already developed the above-mentioned character, it'll be very easy for you to explain to them that attaining success in affiliate marketing requires sweat, blood, and of course, hefty time commitment. These traits will also teach them not to give up. Moreover, before you train your client to be proficient in search engine optimization, link exchanges, email marketing, newsletter marketing, reciprocal exchanges, and advertising in forums, you should first become expert on these fields. They will surely find it hard to learn these things alone and without supervision from the one who knows best. So make sure that you are knowledgeable on these things before you accept any invitation to be a mentor. Yes, being a mentor is way harder than succeeding in affiliate marketing, but this task is very rewarding, especially if your client become victorious. The failure of your client is your failure too, so you must do your very best to be able to bring your client on the road to success. Again, it is never an easy task and there's nothing you can do about it. After all, that's what affiliate marketing mentors are for.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.